Good morning mga ka-adventure! Welcome back to our channel, and for today we're going on another family camping adventure, and we're going to DRT Bulacan. So we're going to Doña Remedios Trinidad, Bulacan, and we'll have another family camping adventure. This is our first time na magka-camping kami going to in Bulacan. Okay, so together with Mami Z.
Hi!
Keke! Hi, Ke! Hi, Ate!
Hello!
And we will celebrate yung birthday ni Ate.
Belated birthday.
Belated happy birthday to Ate. So, from Mabalacat going to Bulacan, so we'll travel for 2 hours, may get from Mabalacat to DRT Bulacan. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. And of course, don't forget to watch, like, subscribe, and share our YouTube channel. Okay, good day! Bye! Say bye-bye, Keke! Okay, good morning mga ka-adventure. At papasok na nga tayo ng NLEX. So, dadaan tayo sa NLEX papuntang DRT Bulacan. So, estimated travel time from Mabalacat to DRT Bulacan, 2 hours and 20 minutes. So, sana magandang panahon. Bigyan tayo ni Lord ng magandang panahon today para makapag-camping and ma-enjoy natin and ma-celebrate natin yung birthday ni Ate. Okay, so please stay tuned for today's video and continuously support our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button para updated kayo on our next family camping adventure. Okay, bye! Okay, good morning mga ka-adventure. Pa-exit na nga tayo ng Pulilan. Okay. So, paglabas nyo ng Pulilan toll gate,
turn left onto Pulilan Regional Road.
Turn left. Puntang Regional Road.
In 500 meters, turn left onto Pulilan, Bailiwick Bypass Road.
Okay, good morning mga ka-adventure. Time check, 10:35. At dumadaan nga tayo dito sa San Ildefonso, Bulacan. Ito yung pagawaan ng semento, Eagle Cement. So, ito yung dadaanan nyo papunta dun sa campsite. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa DRT. Ganda, sobrang green, daming puno.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. Ain't nobody like. Ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you.
Mga signal.
Talking by yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you. Listen to our favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye. Something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody
Slide right.
Slide.
And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
Destination is on the right.
Ay, paano kaya ako pa-parking dito? Okay, good morning mga ka-adventure. Time check, 11:10 in the morning nang nakadating tayo dito sa campsite. So, nandito nga tayo sa Kalinaw, sa Kalawakan campsite sa DRT, Bulacan. Okay, so, check ko muna yung pwesto natin sa camping ground bago tayo mag-set up at magbaba ng gamit. Okay, good morning mga ka-adventure. Time check, 11:45 at nandito na nga kami sa Kalinaw sa Kalawakan sa DRT, Bulacan. So, kabababa lang namin ng mga gamit at siset up muna namin ang aming tent. Good afternoon mga ka-adventure. Time check 5 p.m. At nandito nga tayo sa Kalinaw sa Kalawakan. Okay, so ito yung pinaka-entrance nila. Okay, tingnan muna natin to. So, sa Kalinaw sa Kalawakan campsite. So, day tour 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Entrance adult 150 per head. Availing of cottage is a must. So Yung Silong Cottage nila, good for 6 packs, 600. Then they have the Tambay Cottage for 10 packs, 1,300. And then yung Kapiling tent for overnight or day tour, 1,000, good for 2. Entrance fees included. And then if you have your own tent or tent pitching kayo, for overnight or day tour, entrance fee included, 350 per head. Tapos meron din silang kubo. Sa mga kubo rates nila, overnight 12, check-in is 12 or 2 p.m. to 12 noon. Day tour is 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. So yung Yakap room, good for 2 packs, full mattress, 1,299. Yung Pahinga room, good for 3 packs, king size mattress, 1,899. And then yung Maligaya room, good for 10 packs, 2 king size and 2 full mattress, 599. Extra packs is 350 per head. So Kubo rooms inclusion, entrance fee, public pool access, mattress, pillow, fan light, electrical outlet, tables and chair. No towel and blanket. So nandito nga tayo sa Kalinaw sa Kalawakan campsite dito sa DRT Bulacan or Doña Remedios Trinidad. So ito yung entrance nila pagpasok mo. So meron din sila dito yung Kalinaw sa Kalawakan Private Resort, yung Consuelo. Ito yon. Kung saan nirerentahan mo yung buong villa. Ayan. So, ito yung pinaka parking nila sa sasakyan. Ayun si Jesus. Nakapark sa gitna. So, pagpasok mo dito, ito yung pupunta sa campsite. Okay. So, ito yung campsite. Meron din isa pang parking dun sa baba. Ayan. Pwede ka rin dun mag-park. And yung parking ng mga motor dito naman. Ayan dun. May parking din dun sa kabila. And meron din dun isang yung Hiraya naman. So ito, your home of reconnection. Kalinaw campsite. Kalinaw sa Kalawakan campsite. So mula sa entrance, ito yung lalakaran mo papunta dun sa campsite. Okay naman, sementado naman. Medyo malayo nga lang. Pwede mo naman i-cart yung mga gamit mo. So papunta dun. Okay, so eto, maraming puno, sobrang green. Tatapos nga lang ng ulan. Pagdating natin kanina, dumating tayo past 11. Nag-set up tayo. Bumuhos yung ulan after natin makapag-set up. Ito yung pinaka campsite registration nila. Ayan. Ito yung campsite registration nila. And then they have their other rental and corkage. So if you want to rent pillow, 50, kumot 100, sleeping bag 100, banig 150, 200 yung large, 150 yung table and 2 chair, and then cooking set 400, 300 yung kalan at gazul, grill only 150, bonfire 200, and then they have the electric corkage. 100 electric fan, 50 electric kettle, rice cooker small, rice cooker large, and then 200 induction. Then they have the corkage for alcohol, 200, and then butane grill, 50, and kalan, 50 as well. Tapos meron silang Kalinaw bath. So mamaya tingnan natin yung Kalinaw bath. Pero ito yung rates nila. So water only, 299 for 1 hour. And then they have the add-on, 50 for flower, bath bomb, medium 120, large 150, and then 30 minutes extension 150. And then they have the different flavor like vanilla, lavender, and eucalyptus. So ito yung CR, out of order, pero yung isa dun titingnan natin. Ito yung pinakagiling area nila. Ito yung Kalinaw sa Kalawakan campsite. Ayan. Ito yung pinaka-entrance. Ang ganda. So, ito yung campsite. So, ito yung mga kubo na pwede nyong rentahan for I don't know how much. Nandun kanina nakapost. So, ito yung mga kubo. Ayan. And may kasama ng tables and chair pag nag-rent ka ng kubo. And provision as well for electric. Ayan. Ito yung malaking kubo. Ayan. Ito yung for couple only. Tapos, dun sa malaking kubo, may kasama ng tables and chairs. So, ito yung mga kubo. Okay. At ito yung setup namin for today. So, dahil inulan na kami kanina. So, medyo challenging yung kanina part. So, ito yung pinaka-setup namin. Yan, mga basang damit. So, ito yung pinaka-kitchen namin for today. Okay. Ito yung dining namin for today. And sa loob, ito, hi ma'am. Medyo challenging, nabasa yung ito yung setup namin for today. Okay, ikutin muna natin tapos magpapalipad tayo ng drone. So, ito yung parang maambon pa tayo makapagpalipad ng drone. Tingnan natin. Ito yung swimming pool area nila. Ayan. Hi ate. Hi Keke.
Hi.
Ke. Hi. Vlogis. Tama. Ang swimming. Hi vlog. Welcome to channel. Mamaya tingnan natin yung ano. Ito yung mga kubo na pwede mong rentahan. So, ito for 1 and 3. Ayan, ito yung kubo. Ito yung lambing cabin. Ayan. Ito yung mga cabin nila. Ayan. Tapos meron sila dito Kalinaw store. So, ito yung Kalinaw store nila. And open from 7 AM to 10 PM. Meron silang mga silog meal na pwede mong orderin. And if you want to drink as well. So, meron silang nitong Red Horse, Falso Emperador, Mojitos, and Miglight. Okay. Ito naman yung cooking area. So, this is the cooking area. And then there's the gasol. This is the wash area. Yan, malakas naman yung water. Tingnan natin yung CR. So, ito yung CR yung sa likod. Okay. Ito yung CR. Ito yung outside shower. Pwede mo gamit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, pwede ka mag-shower dito. Okay. Ito yung CR or toilet for the girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ito yung lavatory. So, malakas naman yung water. Ayan. So, ito yung lavatory. Ito yung CR for the male. So we have the shower, and then we have the urinal bowl here. And then we have 3 toilet bowl, and then 2 urinal bowl. And then ito yung sa shower outside. Okay. Ito may aircon, naka-provision dito sa lambing cabin. Okay, so ito may mga aircon. Ito yun naman yung mga cottages na pwede mong rentahan. So good for 4 to 5. This is for day tour only. So 600 pesos. Ito yung bonfire area nila. Ayan. So ito yung bonfire area. Ayan. So try natin mamaya pag hindi umulan. Try natin mag bonfire mamaya dito. Okay. So 200 lang yung stick for bonfire. Okay. Ito naman yung Kalinaw bath. So meron sila ditong 2 Kalinaw bath. Ito. So ito yung Kalinaw bath. Yan. So lalagyan lang nila ng water, flowers, and yung flavor kanina. Kung water lang, that's like 299. So dalawa nga dito. So ito madumi pa to. So if kung mag-a-avail ka, lilinisin naman nila at i-change yung water. So katatapos nga lang umulan, medyo foggy dun sa ibang area ng bundok. So habang maganda yung weather, try natin magpalipad ng drone para makita natin yung ganda ng
The sunrise hits my face like pouring whiskey on a fire. Woke up with a t-shirt on, I'm pretty sure belongs to a stranger. Last night I know we laughed too hard, I think we spilled some drinks and tattooed some ink. smile behind these cloudy eyes. And I don't know about you, but I take chaos overboard and every time, every shot, every dance. And I do it all again and sing the blackout blues. So raise your glass and cheers to nothing left to lose.
Okay, swimming times with the girl.
Guys, there's a guy.
Say hi. Hi to the vlog. Hi vlog. Welcome to. Welcome to.
There's a light.
There's a light over there. Welcome to my channel.
Hi, Kuya. Hi, Kuya. Hi, Kuya. Hi, Kuya Choi Misu.
Let's join.
Hi, Kuya Choi.
Ano eh?
Ano ba?
Alam mo, ano ng baby, ano? Tinan mo. Lusik na lusik.
Kumabi niyo yung tap natin ngayon. What happened to our child? Bakit hindi siya pag-ibig? Tignan mo, tabi niya siya, magpagaling siya, oh. Dapat hindi siya ganyan.
Mali yung pagkasakap para may malagay sa
Hindi na huwag nang maayos.
mga
Dapat pagaling natin lahat ng peg. Kakulahin mo siya.
Hello. Sakto lang yung ano, like.
Para sa mga langis na daan. Ay, ganun tatlo. Tama-tama yun. Baby.
Ay, mamaya. Kakalang nilagay yung ano. Ito wala, guys. Yes, dito eh.
Hey, go, mami. Ako, daddy.
Hindi mo nilalagay.
Uh-oh, where's the flowers?
Nalalagyan ng ano yung air
Dito malalim.
malalim, sobra tignan mo.
Tingnan nga, tingnan nga.
Kalubog sila.
Dad, wag ka malulunod ah. Mami, mami.
Wala kasi dati.
Sama ka kayo dad.
No, ate malalim.
Pupunta na ako dyan kanina. Malulunod si dad.
No.
4 feet na, my love. No, it's not 4 feet. It's more than 4 feet.
5 feet.
Hindi mga 6.
Ayag nyo. Ayan. The swimmer kasi.
Mas naisip mo lang na to. Kick mo, kick. Kick your feet. Kick your feet. Kick your feet. Kick your feet. Kick. Kick mo yung feet mo. Kick. Kick, kick. Kick your feet. Kick.
Like this. Feet. Your feet. No, your feet.
Your feet.
Yeah.
Basta, kick.
Ayag nyo.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Ooh, I
make sure talaga na may off lotion kayo para
Tsaka mga insect
protection
repellent.
din or insect repellent. So,
Ang dami namin binili ang insect repellent talaga. Kasi lalo kasi may baby kami. So napaka is number one na essential siya kapag magka-camp ka na may kasama kang baby and lalo kapag nasa bundok. Kasi sobrang dami
mas maganda yung campsite sa gabi. Maliwanag, maraming ilaw. So, pag
maganda
tingnan,
maraming ilaw siya dito.
maganda.
Yun lang, medyo pricey. Hindi naman ganun ka-pricey pero ang
Hindi
dami
naman
binabayaran.
ka-pricey. Okay
Dami
naman.
add-on
Marami
charges.
lang add-on charges. So, pero
Ikaw,
okay
how
naman
much
yung
yung kasi?
place. So, 350 yung overnight nila per adult. So, walang bayad yung tent. So, yun na yun. 350 yung overnight na adult. Basta bring your own tent. Pwede kang meron silang pinaparent dito. Tsaka yung mga kubo at tsaka tipi nila.
Magkano yung mga tipi house?
Nandun popost ko na lang sa video. Tsaka sa
Kasama yung mga cabin. Kasi may mga cabin.
may mga
dun
cabins
eh.
din sila.
Air condition yung cabin nila.
May mga ibang cabins na air condition. So, dalawa nga to. Ito yung Kalinaw sa Kalawakan campsite kung nasan tayo. Meron din silang mga pang staycation for big group.
Nahanap na ni
Yung dun sa
Keke.
dalawa. So, dalawa yung ano din nila. Parang staycation resort. Yung may sarili din pool at saka malaki yung place. So, maganda naman siya. Dito lang to sa DRT Bulacan. So, from Pampanga to more than 2 hours yung drive namin kanina. Kung gagaling ka Manila, medyo mas malapit siya ng konti. So, mga less than 2 hours yung biyahe. So, okay naman siya.
yung din daanan papunta dito, magandang daanan.
Ganda naman yung daan. Matirek din kasi paakyat ng bundok.
Pero kaya naman. ng
Manageable naman. Kaya naman.
Sedan, kaya siya. Motor, yan. Ang dami nga nagka-camp na mga motor. Actually, marami kami kasama campers tonight, which is hindi ko
Biglang
in-expect.
crowded. Mga bandang 6 or 7 dami
may mga
dumating na
nagdating
campsite.
nga.
Ngayon
May mga
fully book.
din eh.
Fully book sila.
May mga din, check-in sa mga
Yes, sa mga
TP
TP
and
tsaka sa mga
cabins
cabins.
nila. Kasi biglang pag kaya ng hapon, biglang may mga dumating na mga guests. Akala ko nga kami lang ang guests dahil umuulan. Pero
Kanina nung nag-set up kami ng tent, kami pa lang. Pero ngayon,
dami na din.
naka-set up ng tent. Tsaka naka-check-in.
So yung mga nagmumotor, maganda, mas
Say hi, bro.
accessible sa kanila tong lugar na to. Isa siya sa mga must visit saka must try na lugar. Meron silang dito na bonfire.
Mga bonfire tsaka may kawabat.
So di namin
na-try.
kasi medyo malamig.
Pero
Malamig
pwede
na
din naman tomorrow i-try yung kawabat kung gusto. Yung bonfire kasi medyo nag-aabon ng bread pa. So kaya
Parang
Hindi na
hindi siya
namin tinry ng
advisable
mga-
dahil
mga
umuulan,
kids.
medyo maambon, baka mag-skip yung mga bata. Hopefully some other time, next time, sa mga ibang campsites na pupunta namin talaga, matry na namin mag-bond.
As in like yung mga
Okay, that's it for tonight. So, nakaisa na kami sa Bulacan. So, we're about to finish our Region 3 leg and we'll start soon our Calabarzon adventure. Alright, thank you for supporting our channel. Please continuously watch, subscribe, and like our YouTube channel and also our Facebook page.
Yes, baby.
Continuously follow Obrar Adventure.
Shoutout kay Tito Dudes.
Shout out kay Tito Dudes
Si
for
shoutout
supporting and watching our
Say shout out,
videos
Dudes.
from Qatar.
Hi Dudes. Hi Tito Dudes. Hi mo daw Ninong Dudes. Hi Ninong Dudes. Ay, hindi mo pala Ninong yun. Ninong ni Kuya. Hi mo, hi. Hi Dudes.
I just
Louder. Hi Dudes.
ate you.
Hi mo Kuya Chochoy.
Deep.
Say shoutout to Ray.
Okay, that's it for now. Good night mga ka-adventure.
Night.
Good night.
See you next
next time.
time on our next
camping adventure.
Bye. Bye-bye na, Kiki.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Good
Mwah.
night.
Good night. Say good night.
Ciao.
Good night. Good night, Tita Tete.
Loki, ka mo nalalabay. Sing na lalabay.
And good night.
Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Sing na bye.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, soft touch your hand in mine, gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric right. You make me feel alive. I know July is gone. You make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Beneath an endless night, the world spins around. You're there, ease my mind. Like stars that never die, you and I will shine during the darkest time. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Maybe this is the season of love.
She goes her own way, like I don't give a damn, girl. And my God, she owns it. So many heartbreaks, goes back to 2014, and I think that she knows it. And if you've seen her, I know that you would believe it, 'cause I know that you'd want her to. Everyone's taking their shot, but missing out on the cut. I think she knows that she drives them crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes them want it so bad. It's the attention that we wish that we had. Yeah, it's almost cruel, cause I want her to. Oh yeah, I'm running in circles just to make her react. My heart is racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact that she's way too cool. But I want her to. Oh yeah, ripped skinny jeans and tattoos on both her ankles. 21 Pilot t-shirt, that's the stuff. Goddamn, she's so fly. Knows how to ride a good
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell button para updated kayo on our next family camping adventure. Bye-bye! Ingat!
but you'll be missing the cut. I think she knows that she drives them crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes them want it so bad. Gets the attention that we wish that we had. Yeah, it's almost cruel, cause I want her to. Oh yeah, I'm running in circles just to make her react. My heart is racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact that she's way too cool. But I want her to. Everyone's taking their shot, showing all that they got, but they'll be missing the cut.